We'll guide you through how to wipe the cache partition on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you heard of the procedure and you want to go and do it. So you may be wondering what it is. Well, it's a procedure that's going to go and delete temporary system files amongst other things, and it will go and improve performance, fix bugs, and go and resolve other things as well. It's a good idea to do this frequently just to go and clear it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this step by step. Make sure it's full guide so you don't miss out on anything important, as there's lots of important information you need to know. As you probably may know or may not know, you need to go and get into recovery mode to do this. Don't worry, it's much easier than you probably think. It may go and sound a bit worrying as well, but don't worry. It allows us to do different options like wiping the cache partition. So to go and get started with this, you need to come onto the side of your phone and go and find the side button. Tap and hold it and keep it held down. Shortly, you're going to see the power off menu. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and drag down at the top, drag down again, and you can go and press the power button in the top right. Then it'll open up the menu and you need to press power off and press power off again. Now go and wait for the phone to go and shut down completely. You should go and feel it vibrate. So that means it's now been shut down. Now on this device, it actually needs to go and be plugged into a computer specifically. So with one end of the cable, plug it into a computer and plug the other end into the phone. Now, what you can try doing is try doing the next procedure I'm about to show you to get into recovery mode without plugging it in, because some devices it will work, but on this device it does, and on other models it does apply as well. So we need to go and actually wait for it to go and give us the percentage amount. So just go and be patient here, and then we'll need to go and do a button combination in order to go and get it into recovery mode. So we're now seeing the percentage there. So what you're going to do is go and press the side button and the increase volume button together, like so. So keep this held down. Shortly, you're going to go and see the Samsung logo. Then you can go and release. Be patient when it goes and starts. It shouldn't go and take too much longer. And it's going to go and take you straight into the recovery menu, as you can see. And so then what we need to do is go down to wipe cache partition. With the volume keys, you go up and down. So let's go down. And you need to go and have wipe cache partition selected. Then you can go and press the side button to select it. And then as you can see, you have to go and confirm a decision. This cannot be undone, so make sure. So with yes selected, you can then go and press the side button, and then it's going to go and complete. And as you can see, it now has, that's it. So then to go and get back into your phone, all you need to do is press that side button like so, reboot system now. And then what we can do is go and unplug it. Now just go and wait. Shortly, we should go and see the Samsung logo, and now it's going to boot normally. So go and be patient when it goes and starts again, and I'll show you what it looks like. But you're going to be taken back to the lock screen. Here we are. Swipe up and we can go and unlock it and go and use it again. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.